You can also change this to a quote panel. And now you can see that there are different prices and different boxes here for the currency pairs. The offer's on the top, the bid is on the bottom. So if I wanted to buy, I would just simply click this button here, and now my order ticket comes up. This is, and I'm going through all of this to explain the upper and lower bound. Okay, here's the lower bound, here's the upper bound. Let's say there was a fast-moving price action going on, and I wanted to buy. In fact, there's a lot going on with the pound right now. You can see that it's starting to spike up. So let's say I wanted to trade the pound. We'll go ahead and buy, and I'm going to do it at the market. Okay, and the units I'm going to set to 100,000. Now I want to set an upper bound and a lower bound. Now what this does is it tells Owanda, okay, I'm going to place a market order, but I don't want you to slip me a whole lot. So the lower bound, the price was really spiking up there. I wanted to arrange some things. Okay, so the lower bound means how far down am I willing to go? Meaning if I place a market order, do I want to buy 10 pips lower? So if the market is at 230, do I want to buy at 220? If I do, then I want to place my lower bound at least 220. So I can enter it there. Now the upper bound, if the market is trading at 230, actually this here is showing it's trading at 2029. Now you notice there's an extra digit here. That's because Owanda shaves their price a little bit finer than the normal broker. So this is trading at 229. So if I want to trade, pardon me, if I want my upper bound to say not be any more than let's say 235, then I want to enter that here. Okay, so that means if I'm buying and the market is at 230, I don't want to buy any more than 235. That means I'm only looking for 5 pips of slippage. Okay, so I'm willing to pay more by 5 pips, but I'm willing to go down less by 20 pips. Okay, that's how that works. Now you can either type it in or you can use these buttons here. You can see that it changes it 1 pip at a time, up or down. Okay, you can also set your stop loss and your take profit. So again, if I were buying here and I wanted to have a stop loss down at 220, I'd place that in there. If my take profit, I wanted that to be, if I'm buying here at, what is the price? 26, 20 pips higher, 246. That would be 20 pips. Now here's the great thing about this window is it calculates it all there for you. Okay? It's all down here. And I can see 1 pip equals 4 pounds. My trade value is 100,000 pounds. The margin used is $3,000 roughly. Here's my take profit is for, 92 pounds is what that's going to equal. My stop loss is at 36 pounds. Okay? So everything is set in place, and then I can go ahead and click on the submit button. Oops, let me bring this up just a little bit, cut off the top. I can click on the submit button. Now, here's something, if you're placing multiple orders, you want to check this box to keep the window open. This is effective if you're placing multiple orders on a fast-moving report. You can keep clicking submit to add to your position or take away from your position. It just makes it handier than fumbling around with the order windows, and you can just keep it on your screen while you're watching your chart. Okay, so that's what the default bounds box is going to be. Now you can see that you can set it as a percentage of price. I would rather use this as pips. So the default bounds, I'm going to go ahead and set at 20. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and lower that down